Good morning, guys. Hello from the AMCM application team. Today I want to talk about machine size. You all know probably the M4K, which is 450 by 450 by 1 meter. When talking 450 by 450, we mean actual build size. What that means, we have 10 millimeters all around, extra room to realize real 450. And of course, we took care we can build the full 1 meter sea height safely without any concern. Of course, that build size can be realized with all the standard materials, starting with Inconel, talking about aluminum, and of course with copper as well. As a baseline, all materials available and working on an EOS M400-4 will work on that machine, or you can start at least as a baseline. When talking about huge build envelopes, powder handling becomes super important. We took care of that with large overflows and continuous powder supply through the whole build. All that based on a robust weld frame, only reaching about 3 meters high, which is shy underneath 10 feet. So all that in a very compact machine.